Okay, even though it is February 11th, feels really good outside, but it's been raining, so everything is wet. The grass is wet. All of the leaves are wet. That's my little greenhouse, and there are definitely things starting to grow in there. You can see the greens that are starting to grow. I don't know. It is what it is. I will figure it out. But I noticed just a hint of yellow through the woods here yesterday. You know, spring is near. These. Look at that. It won't be long. Look at that color. I hope you can see me and hear me. My phone has been acting crazy. I can hear a cycling increase and decrease in the volume on the last two videos. I thought it was because I had my heater on without the fan running, and it makes this cyclic whirring sound. But I tried to record something a little while ago and the sound was so low. So I hope you can hear me. I'm out in the workshop and I brought some things out here that I got today. I bought some more old books, and then when I got ready to start working, I thought, I'm not going to work in these clothes. I'm terrible about messing up clothes. And I love this shirt. It was recently thrifted at a local thrift store. It was on the clearance rack, so I got it for $3.50. I've had this dress for forever. I love it. I like things that are not, you know, that are short enough to feel modern and fun, but long enough to cover me up. I like layers. So I'm going to go change into something that can get ruined, basically, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back in the workshop at the art desk, and I wanted to make some sort of paper doll out of this. Let me grab my scissors. I fixed this box. I prepared, we say fixed in the South. I made this couscous this afternoon. Let's see, how can I do this? I don't know that we want that pillow that she's leaning on. We might just try to get away with not cutting, like leaving out the pillow and the arm on that side. This may not even work. I don't know. But we're going to try it. This couscous was good. We were out of a lot of stuff. I went to the grocery store this afternoon, and I just wanted something. So I took some carrots and peeled those and then cut them into pieces. I don't know, like maybe sliced the carrot in half and then cut it lengthways. This is going to be really odd. Or I don't know, maybe it's not. And I put those in some water with some salt and just let those get soft or, you know, tender. And cooked the couscous, and then I just had that together. So I wanted to save this box. I don't even remember buying this. I don't know if Jason bought it or if his mom brought it to us. She brings us things sometimes. So can we get a skirt out of this? It was good. It was good. I might have to add more to this. But that's a good start. Oh, I keep taking the wrong thing off. Driving myself crazy with this glue. I'm going to have to get some tacky glue soon. So let's just put her right. Oh, how did I have that? Maybe like that. I'm kind of just rambling. Sorry. I'm going to be out here playing for a little bit. And got some things I want to finish up. This is a journal that I made from one of the recent fun packs. And it's going to have just like all kinds of stuff in it. I wonder if I don't know. There's so much on the front of this already. We might be able to get an image up here. And again, this journal has no rhyme or reason. It's just got a lot of different stuff. And I thought I would just make it an art journal. This was one of those journals that I decided just to put everything in. And you can see pages from that last fun pack, different ruffles. There's a pocket there. I painted that, so we've got a couple of pockets here. And just that little sheer piece of paper. Fun envelope to work with. And postcard. That's interesting paper. Another postcard. So this one's fun. It's a really, really mix and match sort of thing. Definitely not themed in any way. Just a little bit of everything. Oh, and there's the piece from that large, I made a pocket out of that large mixed media piece I did, and just decided I didn't want it anymore. There's the little coin envelope, and I just put a little image on each side of there, and it is on a ribbon here that's sewn to the top so it can hang down and just sit in that pocket. Anyway, we might, I don't know, I doubt I could glue her on that fabric, you know? We could just fill this thing up with all sorts of interesting images and such. Oh look, I did the right one that time. I have got to buy tacky glue tomorrow at work. You know what? I wonder if I have. Oh no, this is good. Read about the volume on I use my iPhone to record, and I really like that. I've enjoyed using it, but like I said, the last couple of days it has the videos that I've edited and uploaded. I don't think, it seems like the volume's not loud enough or something. And I'm putting the volume up as high as it'll go in the editing program. Okay, so there is that. Definitely wanted to bring this right out and put it in here. And now what do we want to do? There is something else that I was inspired by. These beautiful beads shaped like stars. Look how lovely that is. And what I wanted to do was got a piece of cardboard. I want to try this before I do more than one, and let's make the shape of a star. I don't want it to be too big. Let's first see how this turns out, and then let's see if this is sharp enough to cut through here. I don't think I'm going all the way through every layer, but that's okay. Oh, good grief, what a mess. But let's try to clean it up a little bit. I don't know how this is going to turn out, and I'm not sure why I want to do this with cardboard. I mean, obviously I like working with cardboard. Of corrugated cardboard, but it does have these layers, and I'm not sure that that's going to give me the effect that I want. I went back and cut all the way through every layer with the X-Acto knife, and now I'm just trimming up the edges. So we're going to have to do this in steps. Maybe we will work on more than one thing at a time. So what I wanted to do is kind of mimicking this. I was going to paint this with some of my metallic paint. And I just think this is going to be pretty. Ooh, that would make a fun stamp. I should have dried the other side first, but I'm being impatient, and I also just want to know what this is going to look like when it's painted all over. All right, let me stand that back there and let it dry. Okay, let's come back to this star. This is dry at this point. Now, let's go back. Oh, what did I do? I love the way these colors are just all over the place here. What is this? This is the antiqued bronze. How am I going to be able to do this? Let's do one long. No, see? You know what I might be able to do is get this thing that blows the color around. No, I'll figure out something different. I could do splatters, but I was really hoping, well, you know what, maybe. Well, so we can sort of do that. Drag something through it. We're going to have that big blob on there. Okay, see, that's just making big splotches. So we're going to let that side's just going to be what it is. But you know, for the idea that I want, I wonder if I can put some glitter in this. I think this is going to be pretty. Okay, I can hear everybody saying, what are you doing? I want to make like a garland. Is that the word? Of these beautiful shiny stars. I thought about making an entire journal with just large stars that are decorated like that. But I'm not to that point yet. I want to figure out how to get this look that I like. Maybe it's not going to hurt it too much if I lay it down there. And let's see if we put some of this here. And then let me take my big handy dandy brush. I don't want to get it everywhere. Well, that's just going to be blobs. How? I think I would have to put it, oh, that's kind of cool too. I think I would have to put it in something where I can sling the brush at it. and not get it all over everything, which, like, there's already dots everywhere. Look at that. I need a splatter closet is what I need. What if we add some water and make it thinner? Oh, well, maybe if I just do that, you know? Well, and there's sort of a variation of colors. I know I had several colors here. We've got the green. We've got this copper. Oh, the amethyst. I want some purple on here. You know, oh, could you wear a cardboard necklace? I think you could. I think you can do anything you want to. And when you get to be this age, you kind of just don't care what anybody thinks either. Like, if you don't like it, don't look at it. Maybe that sounds harsh, but you know what I mean. If you could get this to be sturdy enough, it would be really pretty to make this a pendant. But for right now, I'm just thinking about a really pretty garland with these metallic paints. And it could even be part of a topper on a journal. Yeah, I like that. And then that side's sparkly. I wonder if we could do, like, you know, almost like cake icing. Like when you're going around the layer, around the outside and getting it all smooth. We could definitely fill those ridges in. So you know what? I'm going to stop right there. And let's just let that dry. And hopefully, I better stand it up because I don't want it sticking to the paint palette there. Anyway, I just thought it would be really fun to make some sort of garland with these really pretty, shiny cardboard stars that are covered in the metallic paint. So I'm going to stop, and I will be back soon with a video to show you how that tiny little corrugated cardboard journal turned out. And it started with these metallic paints. That was the whole thing. I love the way it turned out. I can't wait until you see it. Okay, bye for now.